Hi everyone, my name is Anjali Bagde. I am from Maharashtra. I completed BTech in the stream of Electrical Engineering from Government College of Engineering, Jalgaon, and currently I am working as an educational associate. So I joined Adore 3 months back and it had been a great experience for me. I had been working here for 3 months and I learned, I improvised and I enhanced my skill from here, and it has brought best out of me. I started taking sessions after 10 days of my joining. In my initial period, I was introvert kind of person. But now I would say that I am definitely a strong and confident girl. I started taking sessions in Dreamland. So in my initial time, I was very nervous when I was taking sessions, but with the variation of time, they became close to my heart and I became expert in taking sessions. So in this conducting sessions process, I won't say that I have learned something or they have learned from me, but I would say that we have learned together and we have grown together. I not only conducted sessions in one center, but I conducted sessions in 5 different centers and I conducted 113 activities as of now. So I want to make my career in teaching field, so it was indirectly a practice for me. By conducting sessions on regular basis, by taking sessions on regular basis, it was really helpful for me. And currently I am working as an educational associate where I teach GATE subjects of electrical engineering, so it is really helpful for me. And if I have to describe about Adore, that what is Adore for me in one line, so I would say that it's a learning platform where we learn, we make mistakes and we grow together. And I really appreciate those who are connected with Adore India because it really brings smile on someone's face. And special thanks to Dinesh sir and Somnath sir, and also one more time to Adore India for helping me and supporting me to become the best version of myself. So thank you.